Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. Today, I'm going to talk about how to reach your dreams through the law of assumption. Okay, so let's get right to it. The things that you do not want are actually a blessing. Why? Okay, the reason being is because it tells you what you do want. What you do not want tells you what you do want. If you have poverty, then you want riches. If you don't have a girlfriend, then you want bitches. Okay, that came to me earlier when I was listening to Neville Goddard. It says, if you are in poverty, then assume. I just heard bitches. I'm like, because I love women. I'm like Dan Bilzerian, Hugh Hefner. I love women. I love beautiful women. I see the beauty in women, and I'm just like, bang, ecstasy, high level. But of course, I know that that's just kind of like a drug, that adrenaline, and it's not lasting. The process is more important in anything. And here's another thing I know the process is more important, and just loving relationships. Like I mentioned before, the most three important things that bring you happiness are health, loving relationships, okay, and being happy. And being happy goes back to giving back, okay? So go after what you want is what I'm saying, okay? So go after what you want, essentially, but that's essentially what you need. If you feel negative, go out on a run. Raise your vibration. Yesterday I was feeling negative. I wanted to drink. I'm by myself. I just wanted to get drunk. I'm like, what the fuck? The good thing, Marshy here saved my life, okay? Marshy's right here. You can see him, he's right here. Marshy. He saved my life because I took him on a walk and I got pumped. I did some pull-ups, got my heart rate up, and I felt amazing. I got that adrenaline, that high, that not the adrenaline, the runner's high, that high that you get when you work out. It's a natural high. It's a win-win. Win for your body, win for the world. But if you drink alcohol, it's a negative for your body, a negative for you. That's a negative for the world. Okay. And I was feeling negative, and I wanted that to be a substitute for me. And I knew that I was in a tough situation, very tough situation, but I had my responsibility to walk Marshy. So that's why setting these non-negotiable things, it's non-negotiable that I have to walk Marshmallow. Okay. If I'm here, I have to walk them. All right. And so I just want to share that a little bit. Now let's go on to health. If you're not healthy, then you want health. If you're sick, you want health. Assume the consciousness of being healthy. All right, this is going to be a short one. I'm going to make it short, okay? Short video. And assume it in consciousness. Okay, I am. If you're new, and if you've been experienced in manifesting, go to the deep, okay? Like Neville Goddard likes to say, go to the deep, meaning close your eyes and just say, I am. You see darkness and say, I am. Now, assume the thing that you want. I am wealthy. I am with a girlfriend. Or I am so grateful now that I have a girlfriend. I am so grateful now that I have bitches. Whatever makes you get into the feeling. You can say bitches. I like to say, I'm a motherfucking money magnet. And I get into the vibration of it. Like, feel it. Because without the feeling, you don't get shit. All right? So assume the consciousness of what you desire. Okay? I am healthy. That's for health. Now you want to get more specific? I am so grateful now that I have a six-pack. I am muscular. And now create a scene that implies you've accomplished it. I was reading Elmer Locker Jr.'s book, I Am the Way. And he said that he got in shape because he saw himself in his vision walking on the beach and women just going, opening their eyes, covering their mouths with their hands because they were like, oh my God, that's just an amazing body. And he said that vision never happened, but he got the body because he got a house and there was a gym there in that house. And then he started like feeling like, I got to go to the gym. I got to go to the gym. I got to go to the gym. I got to work out, right? To his gym. And so he started working out, and now he does it every time. When he doesn't do it, he feels like shit. Like he has to do it because he's that identity. He has to match that. Those actions. Once you get into that identity, you match the ideas, the hunches, and the actions. Okay, you're forced to do them. You don't have a choice. All right, because you fused with it. Okay. Now, that is for the things in general, right? But we all want that stuff. We all want health. We all want wealth. We all want love. Okay, maybe you want friends. Maybe you don't want a relationship. Okay, maybe right because you already have one. Maybe you want friends. So assume loving relationships with friends. Okay, it doesn't have to be about sex. I know I talk a lot about sex because I'm a maniacs. You know, I'm true to who I am. And okay, so you assume it and you feel it. So this is the formula. The assumption. Go to the deep if you're having trouble feeling and assuming what you want. Okay, if you're having trouble assuming it and feeling it, go to the deep. Or you can just say it in person, like with your eyes wide open. I say it with my eyes wide open. Okay. And say, I am rich, or whatever your goal is. I am X. X is your goal. Or I am so happy and grateful now that, or I am so grateful now that, then enter your specific goal. Go after anything you want, okay? Anything. Whatever it is, because when you start winning, you start seeing the things that you've manifested. I remember I was manifesting this and I got it. Oh shit, I'm God. These become triggers for you. I have my checks. I have my car keys. I have certain things that remind me of what I've manifested, okay, around me, both in physical or in a note. Okay, I'll create a list of the things that I've manifested in a Google Doc. So those are good things to look at, especially when your faith is going down. But assume the assumption. Okay, so awareness plus assuming the assumption, I am, and then I am so grateful now that I am this, right? Now that I am this. And then you feel it, okay? When you feel it, that's when you start pulling in the resources of the universe, and then it manifests, okay? It's like a triangle. Awareness, your assumption, okay? Your awareness now assumes I am grateful that I am this, and then you feel it, feel the feeling of the wish accomplished or the wish fulfilled, like Neville Goddard likes to say, and bam, that's all you need to do. Everything will start happening. You'll start getting hunches and things will happen for you, and it'll then be a physical creation, okay? And your manifestations bear witness to the Father. So everything that you have is bearing witness to what you have assumed in consciousness, in the deep, okay, in your subconscious mind. Okay, so assume that identity of you are that person now. I am that. I am grateful now that I am that. And feel it. I feel good. I feel grateful. That's why gratitude is so powerful. Because you say, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's a feeling that implies it is done. Okay? And on top of that, create a scene that implies it's already done, just like Elmer Lockyer Jr. did. He was walking on the beach. You may manifest that, or you may not. Because what he really wanted was the body, so he manifested the body. He didn't manifest the beach and the girls while covering their mouths and like having their eyes wide open. He manifested the thing he desired, okay? You may not manifest yourself looking at yourself in the mirror with the fit body, but then you'll like, one day you'll be walking and then you'll be like, oh shoot, I'm fucking fit. All right, because you've done the work that was going to resonate with you. There's many ways to get to that path in terms of fitness. Okay, I can help you out as well. Let me know if you want some help. I'm gonna put a link down below for a coaching call. If you want to do a coaching call with me, we'll go over your macros and the workouts. Okay, so I hope you like this one. Until next time, peace.